Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the total 1242 assistant professor vacancies notifications from the government degree colleges, and this notification announced from one of the state public service commission. And here for few vacancies or also for few subjects only PG is enough, and for few subjects UGC NET or PhD is required. So please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subjects in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. And to get my next video as a notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, it is a very big announcement and the good news to the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the examination, which is going to be start from this in this month, October 17th onwards. So here I'm conducting the free online live classes, guys. Okay, even though if you miss the live classes, you can go to the recorded one also. For the general paper one, that is the teaching and research aptitude in English, okay, daily evening 5:30, and while coming to the paper 2 electronic science, daily at the afternoon 3 o'clock. And whoever the interested candidates are there, I kept one link in the description box of this video, that is a Telegram group link. So please join in that group link, then you will get the regular updates regarding this free UGC NET online live classes from the Unacademy side. Well, coming to the present content of the video, so we got this recruitment notification from the Karnataka Public Service Commission, guys. So the government first grade college assistant professors 2021, and here I will directly take you to the notification and I will provide the link in the description box of this video. So if you want to get the accurate and more details, you please visit the official website, guys. And here this notification released on the 30th September 2021. So the recruitment of assistant professors in government first grade colleges in the state of Karnataka, including the residual parent cadre and the Kalyana Karnataka local post. Okay, and coming to here, assistant professor recruitment will be conducted for the following subjects. So yeah, I will show you those subjects in the table, guys. The pay scale is 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month is available. And the age limitation, the candidate must have attained the age of 22 years and but not have attained the age of 45 years in the case of candidates belonging to SC, ST, and 43 years in case of candidates belonging to category 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B of other backward classes, and 40 years in case of general merit students. Okay, so these are all things. And the method of applying is candidates have to apply only through online by browsing URL, that is keakr.nic.in. There is no pen and paper method of applying. And the commencement of entry of online application starts from 7th October 2021 morning 11:30. Last date to enter the application details online is 6th November 2021, and the last date to pay the fee is 10th November 2021. Competitive examination is likely to be conducted during the 3rd or the 4th week of December, and the downloading of the admit cards will be notified later. And coming to the application fee is 2,000 rupees as well as 1,000 rupees as per the categories that you may check down here, and it is a non-refundable. Coming to the subjects, the total number of posts are the 1,242 positions are there. And coming to the subjects here, Kannada, English, Hindi, Urdu, History, Economics, Political Science, Sociology, Education, Law, Social Work, Geography, Geology, Commerce, Management, Physics, Chemistry, Biochemistry, Mathematics, Microbiology, Zoology, Botany, Electronics, Computer Science, Statistics, and the Fashion Technology. So the total 1,242 vacancies are there, and as per the caste category also the number of vacancies are mentioned here. And the one more point is very important, that here the candidates who belongs to the Karnataka state or else who knows the Kannada, okay, so those candidates are applicable to apply for these post, guys, and that point also I will show you here in this video. So coming to the eligibility conditions, essential educational qualifications, master's degree with 55% of marks in the concerned or the relevant subject from an Indian university or equivalent degree from an accredited foreign university, and 50% in the case of candidates belonging to SC, ST or the OBC non-creamy layer or persons with benchmark disability. And those who have obtained the degree or master's degree from the accredited foreign university must obtain the equivalency degree certificate by submitting an application to Association of Indian Universities. And next, the eligibility marks of the 55% and the relaxation of 5% is provided based upon the categories. And the candidates must qualify the national eligibility test conducted by the UGC or the CSIR or else the Karnataka state eligibility test. And if the candidates is having the finish the PhD as per the regulation 2009, then those candidates are exempted from the qualification of this national eligibility test or the SLET or the KSET. Fine. So these are the points given here. And coming to the competitive examination details that you may check down, compulsory paper descriptive and compulsory paper objective multiple choice things are given here. So coming to the descriptive paper, paper 1 and paper 2. So definitely one paper is the Kannada, and you should know the Kannada, guys. Why? Because you need to write the exam in Kannada. And coming to the rules and regulations of this Karnataka government to fill up these vacancies. So this point is also mentioned here. Okay, so I will show you that one. This PDF is also kept in the official website of this one, guys. Yeah. So first language Kannada and first language English respectively at SSLC level. Okay, at SSLC level. Fine. So it must be there. So that's why if you belongs to Karnataka, then it will be very much helpful to you. And in compulsory paper B shall be negative marking for each and every wrong answer. Okay, and to get the more details, candidate has to visit the official website. Fine. So I will provide this link in this website link in the description box of this video so that you will get the accurate and the more details. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these qualifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your requirement is not there, please don't worry, guys. Mention your requirement or the subject in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile or the subject, then definitely I will come up in the next video. And to get my next video as a notification to your devices, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may listen, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay. And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay,